Welcome back to Nano Production. In this video, we will be discussing vectors and scalars. So, let's go start with a quick definition. What is magnitude? So, magnitude is generally refers to the distance or quantity. So, you can also refer to this as the distance of an object between two points. Alright, I will get to this in a second about what I mean by points. So, what is a scalar? So this is one of the vocabulary words that was presented on our slides. So a scalar is a physical quantity that can be described by a single element of a number field, such as a real number, often accompanied by a unit of measurement. So let's just underline some facts. So it's a physical quantity. So it can be described. So it can be definitely described by a single element, so it can be as a real number, so we can use, so apparently something to do with real numbers, and it's accompanied by a unit of measurement. Alright, accompanied, this something has to do with that. Alright, so we just broke down our definition, and we have an arrow apparently. I wonder what that means. What are vectors? So a Euclidean vector is a geometric object that has a magnitude and direction. Out of the box, we get vector, so we know what something has to do with that. So it's a geometric object that has magnitude and direction. So let's look at this. Magnitude, we said was so we go back. What did we say magnitude was? Well, we said magnitude was generally refers to distance or quantity. Alright, so if we go back to vectors, so we can refer magnitude as to direction, as distance. Distance. So apparently a vector has a distance and a direction. So let's come up with some direction examples. So we have north, south, right. We have left. We also have straight. Alright, we have plenty more. So this is a continuous topic, but there's plenty of directions. Now, so these do share some properties with scalars. So that's important. Share properties with scalars. That is actually something we could actually look at. Alright. We have an arrow with east. Now, we did talk about, so what we did actually break down is these types of directions. So this actually refers to a direction. So let's see what that actually means. So let's go over what a scalar are. So scalars are, so let me demonstrate this. So let's just say we have a truck. Alright. And let's just say it's driving to, let's just say, a store. So let's just say it's driving to a store. Well, actually, let's say it's driving to a mall. Alright, if it's going to a mall, and let's just give it a distance of 3 kilometers. So if it has a distance of 3 kilometers between this, so between these 2 points, we can consider this point A, point B. The distance between these two is actually 3 kilometers. Now, this is basically what a scalar is. So we got our magnitude. So our magnitude is our distance. That's our magnitude. And we have magnitude, but we don't know if it's going straight to the mall, left to the mall, or is it going east, north, whatever. So for that very reason, scalars have magnitude, but they have no direction. Alright, they have no direction. So let's go and look at vectors. So a vector, on the other hand, let's go look at our truck example again. Let's just redraw a truck to demonstrate this. It's going right to, let's just say, a mall. So if it's going to a mall, let's just say, and the distance, like last time we said 3 kilometers. Now, this time we know it is going east. So, if this truck is going east, now if this truck is going east and is going for 3 kilometers, that is exactly what a vector is. So a vector has magnitude and direction. So I hope this video sort of cleared things up for you guys, and I will see you in the next one.